Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Good morning, beautiful people. Kain tayo guys. Ang sarap ang ulam namin. Tuyo. Ham, tsaka yung ham na to guys, binigay pa to sa amin ni Tita Tess, yung ham na bilog for Christmas sana, or from pang Noche Buena, or from pang Medianoche. Sa New Year, hindi pa namin nakakain, so idrito na lang namin. It's yummy if it's fried, right? Masarap siya pag pinay. Kain tayo guys, si Arya nandun sa labas naglalaro. Ayan.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Make a bum bum, make a bum bum. Bum bum, make a 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 bum bum. Be careful. Ang saya niya guys, no? Ganyan yung gusto ni Aryan. Yung nakikipaghabulan. Make a bum bum. Make a bum bum. Make a bum bum.
One eternity later.
Hi guys. Puntahan muna natin si Aryan. Nasa taas sila guys naglalaro. Guys, akyat baba. Kaya lang kasi clumsy ako be. Aray ko. Shh. Hi! What are you doing here?
The world had more of your
Where's your ball?
smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure like yours.
Hi! Hi! You said hi to me? Did you say, oh, is, oh? Hi! Go down guys. Nag-ano na siya. Sawa na siya dito. Uy, susa. May ubo pa rin kasi si Aryan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Babi daddy, wala bugtaw-bugtaw pa. Wala ka, oh. O, tatapon niya naman yan, guys.
A few moments later.
Hi, mga Bia. So, aray ko. My gosh, look at my feet. Yo, kang ka.
Brothers, let's go blacksmith together.
Hindi pala ako. See, I make messy bun. But
After a catch, explain him your mess bun. Tamam mı?
my messy bun. Paano ako makakapaglagay ng ano? Kung may messy bun ako, eh. Daddy, can you wait? Do like that for me? I need to... Ay, lock, chuchu. Oy, no there. Why auto-dictate? Doon ko lang sabihan, guys. Punta kami ng PSA. Pupunta kami ng pupunta kami ng PSA. So, magpa-process kami ng papers ng mga bata.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard.
Daddy, can you move your... You cannot move here? So they can park? Hi guys. Bago ang lahat, be. Kasi lunchtime na, so kakain muna kami bago kami magpa-PSA. Ganda dito, be, no? Ito yung pinaka... One of the... Parang BGC ng Iloilo, kumbaga. This is just normal. Okay, normal mode. Ilag, if I have an ilag.
2 hours later.
We're home, mga bash. Ayan, one eternity later. Finally, I'm so happy. Nakuha na namin yung papers ni Aryan. Kasi dati unang nakuha pa lang namin yung papers ni Arya. So, Filipino citizen na si Arya. Now, Filipino citizen ng aking anak na Dudong Aryan. Makukuhanan ko na ng PWD si Aryan. So, tapos, yung ano na namin,
I can't find that.
marriage, ano namin, is finished na lahat-lahat.
What's this?
Toilet paper.
It's just a toilet paper and water bottle.
Wait. Please tell me. I thought you were joking, but you said the truth. It's actually totally.
You said the what? The tooth?
I thought going to be funny twice.
Can you say truth?
Truth.
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 You don't have R. I thought you're going to say the tooth. Ang truth niya is tooth. Upstairs. Si Aryan, guys, nasa taas. Naglalaro sila sa 3rd floor. Ang ano lang kasi dito sa bahay, guys, hindi siya, wala siyang natural light. Kaya parang ang boring sa loob. Pag nasa loob ka, pagod ako, be. Ayan siya. Aryan! Where are you? Hi! Kiss mo. Kiss mo first. Mwah! Mommy has something for you. Shh. He will close the door. Kapitan ng ano. Shh. May pasalubong ko sa kanya. Aryan, ah! Aryan, ah! What is this? Open the light. Open the light here. Can you open the light? Yan. Para may light na siya. What is this? I think of this board. Ito mo ba? What is that? Say thank you, Mommy. Ilan pa kailan, be? Shh. Uy. No, thank you, Mommy. Daddy will open it. Say, Daddy, open, please. No, only that. It's your choice. Oh, baby, first, wait, Daddy, come here. Wait muna siya, guys. Daddy, wait. Wait, first, wait.
Give me the box.
Here, Daddy, open, Daddy. Kasi si Aryan, mahilig sa, repetitive, ayan.
Standing underneath the lights.
Like that, it's okay. Go. High five, mama. High five. You happy? Yan, kailangan namin siya bilhan ng mga ganyang toys para maano siya sa phone. Dinner time, mga besh. Where will I? How do you feel? May lanat. Wala man lanat si Arya eh. Tomorrow, babalik na si Arya sa school kasi hindi naman siya nilagnat. Ubosipon lang talaga.
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest.
Tuyo ka na, no? Sleep na. Night, daddy, dali. Night, daddy, here. Here. Night. Love na, daddy, love. Oh. Kiss na, daddy, kiss. Ate Arya. Kiss na, ate. Kiss, ate.
I kiss him.
Night. So mga besh, end ko na itong vlog. Ano tawag dito? Tulog na kasi sila Aryan. So, ako na lang ang gising at nag-edit lang ako ng konti. Pero, konti lang. Oh my gosh, muntik na mahulog ang aking phone. Pero matutulog na rin ako kasi si Aryan, guys. Alam niyo ba nowadays, bigla-bigla yan siya nagigising nang hindi ako katabi. Kasi tapos pag nagising siya, hindi na siya nakakatulog ulit babalik. Mahirap na siyang patulogin ulit. Kaya dapat, onting galaw niya lang. Nandyan talaga ako sa tabi niya. Mama's boy. Char. Sarap sa feeling, diba? Pag ganyan yung anak niyo. Tapos, maya't maya kasi talaga ang yakap niya, guys. Konting galaw niya lang talagang nakayakap yan sa akin. Anyway, so today's vlog, I'm so happy, grateful, na finally, ang ingay ni Papa, ingay ng cellphone ni Papa. Pampatulog niya yan. Ayan, Filipino citizen na sa aking anak. Andiyan na po yung papers niya. Galing ng Turkey. So, ayan, na-register na siya dito sa Philippines. Yung final paper niya na lang na talagang from PSA na lang na register na siya. So, yun ang hinihintay natin. Pero, sabi sa DFA is okay na Filipino citizen na si Aryan. So, wait na lang natin. A few days na lang hinihintay namin. Darating na rin yung from PSA. So, yung kinuha namin kanina from DFA. Ayan, makukuha na ko na siya ng finally ng PWD, guys, na tapos may enroll ko na rin siya sa school this year. That's why we're so happy and we're so excited for him kasi need na talaga namin siyang enroll sa school. So, ayan. Anyway. Ayan, so far okay na yung aking guys. Medyo, ayan, meron na lang ako ditong pasa, no? Tapos, ito guys, as you can see, meron pa rin akong pasa dito. So, ayan na naman yung dalawa kong pasa. Dito, tsaka dito. Buti hindi talaga ako napuruhan sa mata. Diba? So, by the way, mga besh, any suggestion, sobrang daming langgam sa bahay namin. Honestly, na-notice ko since nung pagdating namin dito, ang daming langgam, mga pula. Tapos, ang lalaki pa guys, yung talagang masakit mga gut. Honestly guys, malinis yung bahay. Talagang everyday nagmamap, everyday nagwawalis. Walang kalat. I mean, hindi naman kami kumakain na dito sa second floor eh. Pero kahit saan, sa dingding may langgam. Sa may kakawalis mo lang, maya't maya may langgam na naman be. Tapos pula na malalaki talaga sa higaan. Maya't maya ang kagat sa amin ng langgam kahit anong pagpag, kahit bago yung mga bed sheets, ganyan. Tapos, sa mga floor, may mga langgam sa mga gilid umaakyat. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila nanggagaling. Bakit? Bakit bago naman tong bahay na to? I mean, bagong pintura, talagang renovate to, diba? So, hindi ko alam. So, please,